In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create email signatures with profile photos using user information from the Google Workspace directory. The Google Workspace integration is already set up in Bybrand, so we won't cover that part here. If you need it, the link to the video explaining the integration's in the description. Before we begin, make sure all users in Google Workspace have a profile photo. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Automation section. Next, create a new group. Now, import employees from the Google Workspace integration. Here you can choose specific employees or import all of them. For this example, let's import all employees. And to create a signature with profile pictures, check the option Upload each user's profile picture. In the signature step, you'll connect an email signature to this group. And here's an important point. This signature must include the placeholders from the Google Workspace integration. If you already have a signature set up in your account, you can select it here. In our example, we'll use a pre-built template with the photo placeholder. Note that after this, the signatures are automatically created for employees with their respective profile photos. There are two methods for deploying the signatures to each user's Gmail, individually or in bulk. In individual mode, select an employee and click Paste in Email. In Bulk Update, select the employees, or you can use Select All and apply the update all at once. At any time, you can also edit the dynamic signature associated with the group. Go to the Signature menu and click Edit. On this screen, you can see all the placeholders available for the email signature. Then just save the changes and return to the employee list. Finally, you can also manually edit employee information in Bybrand, including their profile photo. To do this, in the employee list, click Edit and make the necessary changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create professional email signatures with the employee's profile photo using Google Workspace.